Good morning students. Today we begin with a new poem, that is Standard 7, Subject English, Unit 1, Subunit 1.3. Name of the poem is In the Time of Silver Rain. And the poet Langston Hughes. Will see brief information about him. Langston Hughes was an activist who won many awards and honor for his work. He started a new style of writing poetry in which rhythm and spontaneous expression are important. In this poem, he describes how rain brings joy and life. So we'll read this poem. In the time of silver rain, the earth puts forth new life again. Green grasses grow and flowers lift their heads, and all over the plain the wonder spreads of life, of life, of life. In the time of silver rain, the butterflies lift silken wings to catch a rainbow cry, and trees put forth new leaves to sing in joy beneath the sky, as down the roadway passing boys and girls go singing too. In the time of silver rain, when spring and life are new. Okay students, so we stop here today and we will study explanation tomorrow.